Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be working on the Xmax 125. So what we're gonna do today is repair these taillight tabs here, which are broken on both sides. We're gonna use a tool which we already used in a previous video, which is this one. So let's not waste any time and let's get into the details of everything that I'm gonna do, and also explain a bit this tool that I'm gonna use today. So we're basically gonna melt the plastics and use these pins to hold them into place and make them stronger. The tabs that I'm gonna repair are these ones, which are located here. There's one here and one there. So this one is fine at the bottom, but this one is broken at the top. And also on the other side, we have this one, which is broken. And I think also the one at the bottom, which is right here, it's also broken. So I'm gonna start removing these screws on both ends. So unfortunately we're working with a very tight spot over here, so I can't really fit my fingers and hold all the tools. So I'm just gonna put a bit of glue on this piece it here, and then use the other tool to put the pin into place. So I'm just gonna put a bit of glue there. Hopefully it holds it into place. So I managed to hold it with a bit of glue in place, so it will make life much easier. So now I'm gonna use this curvy pin here, and I'm gonna heat it over here, so it should hold tightly. That's also the perfect size, so it should work nicely. So we're gonna heat it up now and melt it into place. Wait for it to cool down for a bit. Pull it out. Now I'm always impressed by how good this tool actually works and how simple it is. So if you can see, our pin fit perfectly into place here where the crack was. Now the bond is actually very strong. I'm actually putting a little bit of pressure on here on the bracket, and it's actually very strong. So that repair should serve us for a long time. Now this repair is actually not made to look really nice, but it's just to actually extend life into my scooter, and it does the job pretty well. So now we're gonna move on to the other side. This one is actually a bit easier to repair because the crack is up here. So I'm just gonna grab my tool and put the pin just over there at the top side. So it bonded really nicely into place, and I can feel that the bracket is also strong now. Can put a bit of force in it, and it doesn't budge. So we're gonna cut off the excess now here. So actually I just realized that there's like a tiny bit of crack here where the screw was. So I'm actually just gonna repair that also while I'm here. Now in this case, I'm gonna use the straight pin and not the curvy one. So just like that, we squeezed a couple of extra airs out of these taillights and they won't be wiggling anymore with bumps. So after I finished fixing both sides, I just sanded it down a bit to make it look nicer and also sand off the rough edges of the pin that we cut off. I've used this tool, which is like a Dremel. It has a little sanding disc over here and it's perfect for these tight small places. This is obviously optional, it's just to make it look a bit nicer. These brackets are not visible and under the seat storage, so it's optional and up to you if you want to do this. So if you need to do any plastic repairs, I really recommend this tool. It works really well and it's really easy to use. So you have these types of damages, or also if you have cracks in plastic fairings like these, also on sports bikes, it's really easy to fix them up. Obviously, it's not meant to look nice or anything like that. This is just extending the life of my daily driver, so I'm happy with that. Thanks, guys, for watching. I hope this has helped you in repairing your own tabs or whatever it is, plastic made, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.